Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Google Play Store something went wrong or Google Play Store not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Google Play Store. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Go to phone setting, search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Open Play Store. You can follow all of the steps to fix Google Play Store something went wrong or Google Play Store not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.